Greetings family, we're live on Revolutionary Camp. This is Bomani Tayimba and I'm here in Ghana, West Africa. And this is my 10th time journeying to the motherland here in Ghana. And Ghana's been a very special place for me over the years. And one of the things that we've done, one of the things that we do in this 13-day extensive tour is to return to the point of where our ancestors were taken away. So we're talking about Elmina Holocaust Dungeon, and we're talking about this Cape Coast Holocaust Dungeons where I'm at right now. We can see the background of the ocean where our ancestors looked out and they were not clear on what would happen to them and their legacy. But I'm here to say that we have returned, and we have returned to strengthen ourselves, to get our blessings, to also put ourselves together to build the strong nation that we need. So we should never have to endure the suffering and destruction of our nation ever again. And it's important to me and important to all of our staff and our crew and the people who travel with us for us to properly document the story and document the energy and share it. And we want everyone that's watching to realize that we do this for the sake of sharing it with our brothers and sisters. If you're not clear on that history, that's why we're here to present it for you. And all we ask is for you, in your lifetime, to take the journey of a lifetime with us so we can share fully the experience of being on African continent, the experience of returning to certain ancestral points, and to also just enjoy yourself around the country and connect with many wonderful things. We do 4 regions and we go to around the country and you really get a good feel. And this is here at the Cape Coast Holocaust Dungeons. This is, one of the sites that's really, really important to us. And I'm happy that that these sites still stand, because if they didn't stand here, I would not have been able to get the spiritual energy and have the connections in the dungeons and have the connections with my ancestors like we have done. But family, one of the things I want you to understand is that when we return to these points, the strength, the goal is for us to understand that we must never make this happen again. In order for that to happen, we must really work harder together. We must really come together. We must really break down all these barriers and all these things that we call ourselves and look at ourselves as African people. Africans from the diaspora returning to the continent. Africans on the continent looking to reconnect with the Africans in the diaspora. So family, I say Ashe, keep it strong. The saga continues.